Ciao Tesla people, doing some maintenance. So on the grill on the bottom here, the intake for the air that goes to the cooling of the radiator and so on, I put these grills here, okay, so that the breeze don't go inside right away. And I took it off and they're pretty dirty. So I wanted to clean them. I'm going to, first one, I cleaned this guy. They're pretty dirty. I'm going to clean it with some water too. But this is another one of those accessories that I think is a must to have for all Tesla. So that not too many debris goes inside. There will be some for sure. So one day I will open from the frunk, taking off the container and then going to clean the radiator because it's going to be most likely pretty dirty. And that's important because you want to keep the working at all time because it helps to cool down the liquid to cool the battery and the air conditioning, the heat pump. Okay, so this works pretty well. So clean it pretty good. Yeah, so don't need to wash, I guess. So very good clean like this. It's good enough, at least for now. I saw there are different versions of these guys, but they're very similar. They have a metal mesh, and then they plug in here, and that's it. So very simple to install, but very effective. So okay, this side. Almost done. Just a few more debris to get, and then we'll put it back. I don't see many people installing this accessory, which I think should be on all Tesla. Not sure why Tesla doesn't put a grid here to do the same thing. I guess they want it wide open, but it's pretty good. Okay, done. Very cool. Pretty happy with it. So to install it back, it's very easy. Just so usually they are like this, and this one goes on top like this, and there this notch to install it. So you go like this, you push it in, you hear a click, and then you put the other side. Actually, let me. And that's it. Very cool. Yeah, that's it. Pretty cool. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. I don't remember when I bought it. I think a couple of years ago. I cleaned it already once, maybe last summer, something. So once a year. Pretty good. Going to leave the link in the description. And if you are interested in buying a Tesla, use my referral code. You get 500 euros or dollar discount. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.